Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, 𝙑𝙖𝙧. A few videos ago we did a exhaust tip video. Today we're going to do another video like that, except we're going to put dual exhausts on the Chevy Trax. Alright, so we're going to remove the other exhaust tip that only takes a 14mm. Too hard to take off. Yeah, it's on there pretty good. And it's only been a few weeks. You can see there's already like rust and stuff on it, so I suggest you put some kind of a grease to protect that from rusting. Yeah. Alright, so you're gonna have to probably use a hex key set, which I failed to say in the last video. This one's a lot tighter. The circumference of this is a lot tighter, so we're gonna have to work on that to get it on by adjusting these. Right, it's gonna take a lot of pushing and turning. I've already done that. Doesn't seem like it's going to go anywhere, but it's on there pretty good. Let's take it back a bit and see what it looks like. Not bad. It's too bad they didn't have dual exhaust on both sides. Alright, so what you want to do is use the hex wrench and tighten all of these. There's 3 of them. There's one there, and another one over there. Pretty easy to do. Alright, so you pretty much do that to all sides and you're good. Alright, then you're going to want to tighten these up here. Yeah, these things aren't going anywhere once they're tightened. Yeah, they're pretty well tightened when you put the hex on it, so there you go. Alright, so there you go. It's kind of an aggressive look. Alright, I'm going to put some, it's dielectrical grease, but this stuff is pretty, doesn't break down that bad, so I'm going to put it around the bolts just to keep it from rusting. Like I say, that's a couple weeks and it's already rusting pretty good. Yeah, so I'm going to put some on those. Alright guys, here's the final look. Be nice if it was on both sides, but whatever. It's not too bad. Pretty solid. and it's not coming off. It's it's on there pretty good. We put the dielectrical grease on, so it's not going to rust. This one here, that I'm going to put on the cruise. Hopefully it fits. I'm going to put some grease on there too, because it rusted pretty fast. Alright, like I said in my last video, it's not going to make it sound any different, I don't think. Actually, probably won't at all. But it's for aesthetics and looks. Let's start it up anyways. Let's see, got the automatic start going here. Looks good anyways. Alright guys, so there's another project done. Unfortunately, this doesn't fit on the Chevy Cruze. That's okay, I got someone interested in this that wants to take it off me. So anyways, I'm happy with the new exhaust tip. It's good, it's not coming off unless you unbolt it. It's on there pretty solid. So anyways, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the look. So that's gonna pretty much be it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Yeah, please comment. I'd love to hear your comments. Also, if you have time, look at my link tree. It's got all my social links on there. As well, I'm gonna leave my email address on the screen if you want to contact me with any ideas. I also I'm open for any companies to advertise for. Other than that, if you like this, please like, share, subscribe. Like I said, we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, have a good one, and stay safe. Bye.